Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you people are good or enjoying good health these days. So dear students, today we are going to discuss a grammar topic. In your paper you have got a question containing 5 marks that is about I mean to say prepositions. Okay. हमारे पेपर में हमें एक क्वेश्चन दिया जाता है 5 मार्क्स का प्रेपोजिशन के हवाले से, ठीक है. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस इट इन डिटेल एंड वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट आवर दिस चैप्टर, आई मीन टू से preposition, and we will discuss it in detail and inshallah we will continue discussing it in our next lectures. Okay, so today we are starting prepositions. First of all, let me tell you what is preposition, okay, and how can we define it. For example, preposition is a word that is used before a noun or a pronoun to show place, time, direction, etc. Okay. Preposition क्या है? Preposition is a word, एक ऐसा लफ्ज है that is used before a noun, जो किसी noun से पहले या pronoun से पहले use होता है. Okay, and it also shows its relation with some other noun or pronoun. ये बात आपने याद रखनी है. Okay, and to show place, time and direction, etc. For example, and let me tell you that today we will discuss 3 commonly confusing prepositions, and that are at, in and on. Okay, 3 commonly confusing prepositions, and that are at, in and on, because commonly students make mistakes while using these 3 prepositions, and because they don't know how to use and where to use them correctly. So today I'm going to tell you how to use them correctly, and we'll also discuss some fixed expressions with these prepositions. So let us start, or let's jump into it. First of all, we'll discuss about the difference, and I'll tell you that what is the difference between 3, I mean to say, confusing prepositions: on, in, or at. First of all, let's talk about the at. Word at. The word at shows us the location of a person or a thing. The word at shows us the location, I mean to say, ये हमें किसी चीज़ की लोकेशन, किसी आदमी की किसी चीज़ की लोकेशन के बारे में बताता है. Okay, where is the that person or that thing is lying. Okay, इस चीज़ के बारे में हमें ये बताता है. For example, let's take an example. There is someone at the door. We have got its location, that the person is standing just outside the door. There is someone at the door, and then so we got an idea that where the person is standing, about its location. Okay, and then in it shows it something is inside of something bigger. For example, I'm in a room. Okay, this is something bigger. I'm in the room. Okay, and let's take an example. I put some coins in a box. I put some coins in a box. For example, like a box. Okay, and box is something bigger as compared to coins. Okay, and then on. It says that a big thing is on the top of something. It says that a thing is on the top of something. For example, there are 3 books on the table. टेबल पर 3 यानी किताबें वहाँ पर पड़ी हुई हैं, ठीक है, कि कोई चीज़ जो किसी के ऊपर यानी कि पड़ी हुई है, इस तरह इसको हम कह सकते हैं कि उसका उसके साथ कनेक्शन शो करने के लिए हम क्या कहेंगे कि ऑन द टेबल. ओके, एंड देन we'll talk about at, in और on. There are some words, उसके हवाले से मैंने यहाँ पर लिखे हैं, मेंशन किए हैं. अब हम देखेंगे कि इनके साथ हम कौन कौन से prepositions यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल a table. Okay, टेबल के लिए कौन सा preposition हम यूज कर सकते हैं? We can use on. For example, we have just taken an example that there are 3 books on the table, and then at the table भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं. For example, at the table हम कब यूज कर सकते हैं? Let's take an example that we are in a hotel, and we are dining at the table. We are eating at the table. We'll say that a person is sitting on the chair and eating at the table, or dining at the table. हम ये नहीं कहेंगे on the table, ठीक है, हम ये कहेंगे sit on a chair and eat at the table. I hope you people have got it. Okay. इन अनकॉमनली बहुत ही अनकॉमन है इसका जो यूज़ है इनको इस टेबल के साथ इतना यूज़ नहीं किया था. एंड इन इज़ ओनली यूज व्हेन यू आर ड्रिलिंग अ होल इन द टेबल. ओके, so in is very uncommon. And then the door. Okay, for example the door, इसके लिए preposition at is used at the door. For example let me take an example that when we say that who is at the door, okay, so it tells us about the location of the person. And then on the door, for example, we say that who is knocking on the door, he is pressing something on the door. Okay, but we can't use in for door. Okay. And then the fridge, for example, we put food in the fridge, not on the fridge or not at the fridge. And but we can use on we can use preposition on in case of fridge, because specifically when you are going to put some sticker on the fridge and you are going to put some magnet on the fridge, etc. In this case we can use on, preposition on, but most commonly preposition in is used for fridge, because we use inside in the fridge we put food in the fridge. And then a street. Okay, there are a preposition at is not used. Okay, we can't say that I'm at the street. We can use on. We can use preposition on when I'll say that I'm on the street. It means that I am walking on the pavement or on the sidewalk. जिसे आप फुटपाथ कहते हैं. ठीक है, that when we use preposition on, we'll say it means that I am walking on the pavement or on the sidewalk. Okay, but when we use preposition in for street, keep it in mind specifically. When we use preposition in, we will say it means, okay, it means that I am in the middle of the street. Okay, and it is dangerous for your life because there are vehicles coming in the street. Okay, and keep it in mind that when we use in, it means that I am in the middle of the street, and when we use on for street, it means that I am walking on the pavement, on the sidewalk. And then the hotel. The preposition at is commonly used at hotel, and we can't use on the hotel, and we can use in the hotel also. For example, I'm staying at a hotel and my friend calls me and he says, where are you? I will say I am staying at a hotel. Okay, and then in the hotel mean, for example, there's someone waiting outside the hotel and he calls me that, hey, where are you? Where have you been left? I'll say that I'm just in the hotel, okay, and I'm just coming. So in this context we'll use that I'm in okay, in the hotel. And then my room, the only preposition in is used in the case of room. We can't use at the room or on the room, because we have just said that that something is on the top, okay, and that something is inside something bigger, and this room, this is something bigger, and we people are very small regarding this room. So we can use only preposition in for room. For example, we'll say that as that I'm in the classroom, okay, I'm in the office. We can't use that I'm at the office or I'm on the room or etc. And then next, ready? The lobby. The lobby, a sitting area where sofas or etc. Okay, we use only in. We can't use at, or we can't use on for lobby, because we say that someone for example, someone calls me and he asks me that where are you? I'll say that I'm sitting in the lobby and watching television, for example. Okay, so we'll use preposition in case of lobby. Okay, then the elevator. Okay, the elevator is in the lift, and then we can use at and in. We can use at, for example, where you're staying in a 5 or 3 story building, okay, and I'm at 5 story, and someone calls me that where are you? I'll say that I am at the elevator. When I say that I'm at the elevator, it means that I'm not inside the elevator. I'm waiting for the elevator to come, okay, and get inside. When I'll be waiting for the elevator, okay, I'll use I'm at the elevator, okay, and then when I'll get inside the elevator, then I'll use that I'm in the elevator. I am in the elevator. Just keep it in mind कि आपने इसको किस context में किस तरह आपने इसको use करना है. I hope you people might have got it that how to use these prepositions in these in regarding these words. Okay, so now we'll discuss some fixed expressions, okay, regarding prepositions. There are some fixed expressions, they don't change, they never change. Okay, first of all, let's talk about the at. For example, at home. Keep it in mind that these prepositions, these expressions, these never change. If we change these expressions, it doesn't give us a sense. Keep it in mind. So at home, we can't say on home or in home. We will use at home, okay, and at school, at work, at party, at college or at university. जब हम यहाँ वहाँ पर किसी यानी कि अपने काम पे होंगे, किसी पार्टी में होंगे, कॉलेज में होंगे, यूनिवर्सिटी में होंगे, तो आप क्या कहेंगे? आई एम एट कॉलेज, आई एम एट यूनिवर्सिटी. नॉट आप ये नहीं कहेंगे कि आई एम इन वर्क, आई एम और आई एम इन होम और आई एम इन स्कूल एक्सेट्रा. आप इस तरह से यानी कि इसके लिए ये वाले जो एक्सप्रेशन है ये फिक्स्ड एक्सप्रेशन है, आपने इनको ऐसे ही यूज करना है. एंड देन इन द सी. Okay, now we'll talk about in. In the sea, for example, we saw a big shark or big fish in the sea, for example. And in the cloud, when we talk about the clouds, then that we'll say that there are clouds in the sky. Okay, in the sky we'll say. Okay, these are fixed expressions. Keep it in mind. In my backyard, for example, there is a swimming pool in the backyard of my home. Okay, तो हम इसके लिए क्या use करेंगे? In the in preposition in will use. And then there are some tricky. Okay, I have separated these prepositions that in the newspaper. For example, when I'll say that I read an article in the newspaper, I'll use preposition in, not on, not at. Preposition in is used in case of newspaper, and that I'll say I have read an article in the newspaper. Okay, and then in a movie. For example, I like watching, 2 or 3 scenes in Jackie Chan movie. Okay, so इसके लिए अगर हम इस तरह से यूज करेंगे तो इसके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? Preposition in हम यूज करेंगे. And then in a car, in a boat. Keep it in mind, dear students, that when we will talk about some small vehicle, for example, a boat or a car, we'll use preposition in. Okay, and then when we'll talk about some bigger vehicle, we'll use preposition on. Okay, for example, the bank robbers, okay, robbed the bank and get in a car and went away. Okay, got in a car or went away. And then for example, in the boat, for example, me and my family had a amazing or pleasant ride in the boat. हम ये नहीं कहेंगे on the boat, at the boat. We will use in. ठीक है, मैंने आपको इसकी रीजन बता दी है for small vehicle. And then now we'll talk about on, preposition on. On the couch, for example, I'm sitting on the couch and watching television. हम इसके लिए यूज करेंगे preposition on, और in और at यूज नहीं करेंगे. And on the floor, there is dust on the floor, not in the floor or not at the floor, on the floor. And then on the radio or on television, for example, I like listening talk show on the radio. ठीक है, on radio पर इसके लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? preposition on. And then on the television, for example, Batman is my favorite cartoon series on television. In television नहीं कहेंगे और at television नहीं कहेंगे. ये fixed expression है, this will never change. And then on a bus, on a train, on a plane. These are big vehicles and we'll use preposition on. For example, someone calls you and he says that there is there is noise. You will say that I'm on a train or I'm on a bus, so that's why it's noising. Okay, तो इसलिए आप इस तरह से कहेंगे क्योंकि हम आप इसके लिए on use करेंगे and you will not use in or at. For big vehicles we will use on, and for small vehicles we will use in. Keep it in mind. Okay, so now let me tell you that there is no specific grammar rules for these fixed expressions. Okay, because people have been using these fixed expressions for many years. Okay, so we don't need to look for the I mean to say some sort of rules for these, because these expressions have been used for people for many by people for many years. So keep it in mind. I hope, dear students, you might have got it, and inshallah in our next lecture we'll continue discussing preposition, and then we'll discuss it in our regular lectures, and then we'll discuss its exercises, okay, on regular basis. I hope you people have got it, and keep working, and see you in the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.